In this video, I want to dive into everyday AI strategies that you can implement in your real estate career to make you become the real estate agent that is productive, increasing your productivity, making you efficient, and really increasing client satisfaction so that you're able to spend more time building your relationship with your clients. And a lot of tasks and workflow that comes with being a realtor is being taken care of by machine, and incorporating these AI strategies into your business is going to really supercharge your business, your real estate business. So stay with me. In a moment, I'm going to walk you through a couple of the strategies that I love to leverage, and I'm going to show them and share them with you in a moment. Stay with me. I'm going to quickly do a quick introduction before we dive into that. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage, and I'm also a CRM peer coach with Inside Real Estate. So I train people on kvCORE platform, Bold Trail, Boomtown, etc. And in this particularly, I want to chat with you about AI strategies and dive a little deeper into them that you can incorporate. Doesn't matter what CRM you use, it doesn't matter what tools you're currently using. But I also wanted to mention that if you are looking to learn more content on my channel, it's a great time to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay connected and we can learn and grow together. And I also want to mention that if you're looking to switch brokerages, get more training and support, and if you're looking to join a brokerage as a new realtor, I highly recommend you go to my description, click on the link, and book a call with me one-on-one, and you'll be able to ask any questions you have about our brokerage eXp Realty, or what it's like to partner with me and get access to all my training and resources and courses, name it, and what all the support you get when you're partner with us at Agent Wolfpack at eXp Realty. So let's get started. I do want to zoom into my screen in a little bit. One of the things that I do want to mention is, when we talk about AI, sometimes people are not quite sure what I mean. And AI is an acronym for artificial intelligence, and this is where machines are leveraging to leverage human intelligence so that they're able to learn, and they can design and learn and think. They're designed to learn and think like humans. So they leverage natural language, they can recognize patterns and solve problems, etc. So why not leverage these tools that are available to you to do a lot of your everyday task as a realtor? And that's why I love and I embrace technology, because I can learn and grow with it, and I can leverage them for my business and to really extend and widen the impact that I can have in the community for my customers, for my clients, for my agents, etc. And you can leverage AI for everything from lead generations to client follow-up to creating content, customizing content, whether it be personalized communication or to creating content for social media and for mass communication. You can also leverage AI for virtual staging or 3D tours and creating content as well. And to maybe even as a realtor, you want to look at data and analyze data. You can leverage AI for that. You can leverage AI for creating CMAs, comparable market analysis or data. You can also do that as well. So AI can be leveraged in many different ways depending on how much work and task that you want to take on. And that's why I always tell people is that, first and foremost, I have a lot of agents that ask me, okay, what can I automate? What do you automate? Is because you need to first sit down and look at how you do your job and do a quick audit of all the tasks that you do on a day-to-day basis. And then you could find out different tools that can help you with alleviate those tasks for you and help automate them. And for me, that's why I always go to kvCORE or a CRM, because that could take out maybe more than 60 to 70% of your task that you might be involved in doing on a day-to-day basis. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ones that I leverage on a day-to-day basis that you can also implement for your business. So I'm going to zoom into my screen right here, and let's talk about this. So one of which I mentioned is lead generation and lead follow-up. And so on your website, I highly recommend you install something like this. On the left hand menu, you can see it says chat with me, a chat bot, and you can connect it directly to your Facebook Messenger. So your Facebook business page can communicate with you, and you can have conversation in real time with people that are visiting your website. So if they were to come onto the site and they have a question about a particular property, they can in real time have a conversation with you. Or even if you're not available, the chatbot is designed in a way to communicate on your behalf and answer any questions, like you might have seen if you are going to your bank, or if you're having technical issue and you're chatting with a live virtual assistant. Those can be a chatbot at first to filter to see if they can access their knowledge base to answer your questions as much as possible using keywords. And if they're not able to, then they connect you to a live agent. If I hope that makes sense. So that you could also alleviate that. You can use something, a tool called ManyChat, to do that, and it'll be able to automate that communication for you, again, for follow-up reasons. And the other components of this I like to leverage is my CRM. kvCORE, it is currently rebranded to Bold Trail. So if you are looking for more training with kvCORE and Bold Trail, it's just a rebrand with a couple of updates. But this system, as it is, many and a lot of the functionality are still going to be still intact. So all of the strategies that I teach you on this channel is still applicable. So for example, lead generation, I highly recommend, if you want to automate your lead generation, getting in leads coming into your database in less than 24 hours, look into something like Core Property Boost. I have a step-by-step tutorial on my YouTube channel for that. You can leverage things like landing pages and idea squeeze pages that are built in. For example, if you go onto my Instagram or my YouTube channels, I have landing pages and squeeze pages to capture and and make sure that I'm transporting them directly into my CRM. So that's why these tools are built inside my CRM. So when people filled out these landing pages or squeeze pages, they are directly in my database. So for example, if you go and click on my link in bio, you'll get to this page. If you were to browse for any listed property in the Greater Toronto area, if you were to look for a CMA and to see what your home is worth, any of those things are landing pages and squeeze pages that I built using kvCORE to capture leads into my CRM, which I will further nurture using other tools, which I'll show you in a second. And then you can also leverage tools like just transporting and bulk transporting contacts from other sources as well. And going back to the lead follow up as an everyday AI strategy, you can take advantage of, again, creating, and activating your smart campaigns. They're already done for you, they're already built for you. These can communicate with your leads for upwards of 700 days, 300 days, 200 days. And they're texting them, there's prompts for you to call them, there's emails going out to your leads. And you can do that as simple as activating. If you want to know how to do that, I have a step-by-step tutorial on my YouTube channel. Why this is a great time to hit that subscribe button and stay connected, and make sure you're following along on my playlist so that you can automate a lot of your business. And then also voicemail drop is another way to automate that communications and leaving voicemails to your leads in your database and your contacts. Search alerts are another way to automate and automatically send out alerts to people in your database that are looking for a particular set of properties, for example. And same thing with mass emails, email marketing. You can automate that. You can automate saying happy birthdays and anniversaries. This is just a great way to stay top of mind, but also great for referrals as well with clients you worked with in the past. And I've done tutorials on all of these, so I highly recommend you check out my playlist on CRMs and kvCORE. And then my favorite is behavioral automation. This is this is just another powerful artificial intelligence working for you. This is where your CRM is automatically communicating and sending out communications depending on the status and the behavior of the people that are in your database. So again, that's another component that you can implement into your business. Again, as simple as onning and offing. Check out the tutorials on my YouTube channels to do that. Trust me, anyone can do it. And The other thing that you can also recommend, that I recommend that you look into, is ChatGPT, of course. And ChatGPT, I'm going to pull it up for you here. This is just a great component of having conversations with, really essentially, think of it like a copywriter or an assistant who is a robot, and you're asking it what to do, how to communicate, and this system will have, and here I'll pull it up for you here. So this is ChatGPT, and I have the free version. You can upgrade to the higher version. There's up to 5.4 or 5.0, and it's quite robust, and it can really support you in many ways. I leverage ChatGPT for so many things, to personalize communications, to help me rewrite some of my social media posts, to help me create content, help me give me ideas for communications and response to messages with clients, or even people that are just my followers on social media. So many things can be leveraged for ChatGPT. You can create your listing descriptions and listing appointments, listing your buyer's guide, seller's guide, email marketing, anything that you need, where you need someone to kind of give you a couple of ideas, maybe reread after what you have written already, maybe write a content for you, or give you even a video script for a YouTube video. It can be leveraged for many, many aspects. So that's why, when in doubt, my recommendation is, if you have to work on something, pause and see if a tool, an AI tool, can do it for you, and that you can leverage to, again, to save you time. And what I love about ChatGPT is as smart as you are. So remember, you're having a conversation, it's a chat. So if they were to give you something that you're not excited about, so if ChatGPT gives you an email that you wanted written for a client and that prompt wasn't great enough, you can have another prompt going back to ChatGPT saying, can you make this a little bit more friendly? Can you sophisticate this? Can you make it a little bit more formal? Can you remove this word? Or however you want that content to be written. And then the other tool, of course, is Karubi. It's a platform that my business partner and I built. This gives you content on autopilot. Highly recommend checking it out. This is content designed for you, captions pre-written for you, as well as templates that you can, again, use to even give it to ChatGPT to rewrite it. But a lot of time, the strategy is what people have trouble coming up with, exactly, for example, what to post on social media, and that content is done for you using this smart technology and software. So that's another way that we automate a lot of the way that our agents and people in our group are leveraging social media and are posting on social media, creating content on social media on autopilot. And then, of course, you can look up virtual staging companies and 3D tours that also leverages AI to do that for you as well. And so you can pull some of the images of your property, you can give it, and it can virtually stage it for you. So you can save cost on that as well. And remember, folks, your real estate board has a lot of analysis, a lot of market updates and reports that you get probably on a weekly basis. I highly recommend that you leverage AI, ChatGPT, and tools like that to help you kind of analyze, take all those data, and help you understand it, but also create blog post, emails, that so that you can share them with your clients in a way that they can understand the content, because not everybody can read market report in a way that we can as realtors. So I highly recommend, and to make them plain language so that everybody can understand them. And this is why these everyday AI strategies for me are so integral for not only saving me money, saving me cost, and allowing me to kind of increase my productivity so that I can do more, be more efficient, and also, above and beyond, make a better and effective impact, and larger, widen my impact so that I can help more people. And this way I can fill more of my calendar with coaching clients, more clients to support you, my agents in our group, but also people that are partnered with me, but also people that are following me on YouTube and that wants to work with me, and I can create more content for you and support you. So I leverage all these tools to help me automate many of my tasks. And I hope this was helpful for you to not only give you some ideas of how I leverage AI tools, but also what you can be doing in your business as well. If there's something that really jumped out at you that you want me to dive a little deeper into, and I do have tons of videos, like I mentioned, coming up on kvCORE, which is the new branded the look and feel, which is called Bold Trail, Chat GPT, name it. I have tons of content coming up. So if there's something that jumped out at you, please let me know. And like I mentioned, if you want to work with me, partner with me, get access to all of my training for free. And I can help you grow your business. And trust me, once you sit down and meet with me, you'll have a better understanding to see if you're the right fit. And again, if you're looking for a sponsor at eXp Realty, if you're looking to join Agent Wolfpack, please, I highly recommend you book a call, do your research, and find the right sponsor that is the best fit for you to helping you grow your real estate business, whether you're at the beginning stage of launching your career, or even if you are a full-fledged brokerage owner who needs more support, who needs someone to train all of your agents. I am your person. I am your agent. I am your business partner. Book a call with me. Let's meet, and I'm happy to share how I can help grow your real estate business. All the best. Thank you so much. Once again, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and check out more content on this channel. I'll see you next time.